Taking a look out here, Fox 4 studio camera sits right on top of the studios here located in Cape Coral. Really shows we have mostly sunny skies as you wake up, and the roadway is looking nice and clear. So if you have errands to run, you don't need the umbrella. We'll do a quick check of the radar in a moment. First, I want to talk about the temperatures because we will have another chance to be seeing that near record heat once again. Right now sitting at 78 degrees over in Nocatee, 80 in Northport, 79 over in Port Charlotte. A little bit warmer as we get closer to the Caloosahatchee. So 82 Fort Myers, 83 over in Iona, 84 though over in St. James City. Down in Collier County, still 79 over at Naples, and the same as you get closer to the Lely Resort. But when you factor in the humidity right now, it's starting to almost feel like it's near 95 degrees out there. And as we head into the afternoon, we're capping out our highs in the mid 90s. But again, when you factor in the humidity, it'll make it feel like it's near 105 degrees at times. Now, the reason why we're kind of stuck in this hot and sticky weather pattern is because we are sandwiched between two areas of high pressure. But as I mentioned, it's keeping us nice and dry. We're not tracking anything on clouds and radar. That changes for some of us, though, as we head into the afternoon. Through about 2:30, we're looking nice and dry across all of Southwest Florida. Not all of us going to see the rain. You could see it right here. This is a look at 5:45. Really not all that impressive. So we're going to have isolated showers and storms move through the east, really get pinned up and down the I-75 corridor because of the sea breeze, lift to the north a little bit through the evening hours, and move out of the way as we inch closer to about 10 o'clock in the evening. Overnight, things will really clear out, and then we do it all over again on your Monday. A beautiful mix of sun and clouds first thing in the morning. We'll start to see a few more of those scattered storms and showers pushing in from the east coast. But once again, some of us seeing the rain, some of us looking bone dry through the evening commute. As we inch closer to 7 o'clock, a couple of lingering scattered storms and showers stick around. Will officially clear out when it comes to about 10 o'clock in the evening. Now, since not all of us are seeing the rain for today, that's going to allow those highs to soar near record breakers. Fort Myers yesterday, you tied the record, and today we're forecasting a high of 96, 1 degree off from that old record at 97 degrees set back in 2014. Naples and Punta Gorda, not nearly as close, but still hot, with a high near 94. So if you wanted to get out on the water, as I mentioned, you need to stay in the shade, drink the water, maybe even get out on the boat. It's not a bad idea. The wind eventually coming out of the southeast up to about 10 knots, seas a foot or less, and a light chop on your inland waters. I do want to talk about the tropics as things are pretty quiet. This is the remnants of potential tropical cyclone number 4, and as it continues to push on shore, those remnants just going to be really shredded apart, kind of anticlimactic here, as it did not become our 4th named storm of the season, which we typically see by about August 15th. Now, all eyes are going to turn from that system to this tropical wave. This is out in the Atlantic. As it continues through the Atlantic, it does have a 20% chance of developing over the next 5 days. The tropics just couldn't stay quiet forever. Moving closer to home, today we're starting off sunny, but we'll see scattered storms and showers later on, a high near 96. Tomorrow, a very similar forecast, but we're increasing our rain chances through the work week. This will bring our highs back to where they should be in the low 90s, but each and every night, overnight lows will be warm and muggy in the upper 70s.